The ICOM 705 is an ultra-modern, battery-powered, software-defined, multi-mode shack-in-a-box which is perfect for QRP work out in the field or as an addition to your Radio Shack at home. This is a fully mobile radio which has so many amazing features such as its SDR platform, internal rechargeable battery or 13.8 volt DC external power supply, GPS, Bluetooth and D-Star all in a compact, strong and lightweight body. The 705 uses the same 4.3-inch colour touchscreen display as the IC-7300 and the IC-9700, featuring real-time spectrum scope and wall-to-fall display, which is a really handy feature, especially when operating in contests or looking for DX. It gives you a much wider view of the band you're operating in. From HF to 6 meters, 2 meters and 70 centimeters, you can choose from a variety of bands and operate in multiple modes such as D-Star digital voice, SSB, CW, AM and FM. It also receives continuously from 30 kHz all the way to 144 MHz as well as 430 MHz and allows you to monitor FM broadcast band and the air band. The IC-705 uses the RF direct sampling method which has matured in the IC-7300, IC-7610 and IC-9700, and this method greatly reduces noise and distortion. The large 4.3-inch colour TFT Touch LCD is the same size as the 7300 and 9700 and enables quick and easy operation of the 705's functions, settings and various operational visual aids such as the bandscope, waterfall and audioscope functions. The 705 utilises the high-capacity lithium-ion battery from the ID51A and ID31A handhelds, and a 13.8 volt DC external power supply can also be used for operation and charging of the battery pack. In portable mode, the radio has a maximum output power of 5 watts from the battery, which can last up to 3 hours depending on the mode of operation and power save function. This makes it perfect for true QRP operations, but once you're set up with the 13.8 DC power source, you can have up to 10 watts at your disposal. The radio also utilises wireless and Bluetooth technologies for linking and remote control, which will be available with future firmware upgrades, and the optional VS3 headset enables more comfortable operation in Bluetooth. An internal GPS receiver and antenna enhance operational capability by providing location logging, receive and transmit locations via DPRS, near-me repeater search and scan, which enables you to operate through your nearest repeater at the couple of pushes of a button, QSO recording with metadata, and internal clock synchronization. Now, I should point out that the logging and QSO recording require a micro SD card. The micro SD card slot enables the storage of user profiles, QSO recording, transmit voice memory keys, RTTY logging, GPS data, screen capture, firmware upgrades and programming. In addition to audio and rig control, a micro USB port allows charging capability, making digital modes easy with minimal cables. And let's not forget D-Star, ICOM's own digital standard, which I've used many times on my 5100. You can access the latest G3 gateway and DV mode features with the 705 and have direct access to the D-Star network with terminal and access point modes. The radio also has a photo share feature introduced with the IC-9700. This allows you to share photos over the air without the need of a computer with other users of the 705 or 9700. Supplied with the radio is the HM243 programmable speaker microphone, which is perfect for operation with the IC-705. It has user assignable buttons for functions like frequency and volume adjustments. The radio can also be paired with the optional LC192 utility backpack. It has features like a safety strap to keep the radio from accidentally falling out of the compartment, as well as adjustable internal panels for custom compartments for antennas, battery packs and other items necessary for an afternoon SOTA activation out in the field. So that is the top line basics of the ICOM 705. Join me in the next video where we'll be looking at setup and operation and then taking the radio out in the field and really looking at the performance of this amazing software defined transceiver.